Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee and Crafting. My name is Lori and welcome to my Christmas series. If you enjoy home projects, thrift makeovers, and easy to make home decor all on a budget, then I hope you will join my DIY family and discover some new ideas for your Christmas decor this year. Hey everyone, I have 3 Rustic Farmhouse high-end Christmas DIYs for you using Dollar Tree items. These are easy to make, and if you'd like unique and different decor ideas, then this video is definitely a must-see. So grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start. For this DIY, I have a wood triangle from the Dollar Tree. I'll paint it with the ink chalk paint from Waverly.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
I'll paint 2 wood snowflakes with the white chalk paint from Waverly.
Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you.
I have a wood house I found at my local thrift store in a bag of goodies. I'm going to paint it with the white chalk paint.
You and me hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
I'll paint the roof with the ink chalk paint. Then I'll paint a door and a window on the house. Just want to say, I'm not the best artist for drawing. That talent belongs to my oldest daughter, Chelsea.
I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play.
When the house dries, I'll use a piece of sanding paper and sand it really good to give it an old rustic look.
These are the good times with you.
I'll sand the triangle box to give it a really nice distressed look.
Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, oh.
I'll sand the snowflakes to give them a distressed look.
Da, 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 making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do.
I'll glue the wood house and the snowflakes inside the triangle.
Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby,
I have a package of mini Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree. I'll glue one on each side of the house.
making our Christmas memories. I've been
I'll paint white chalk paint along the bottom of the triangle to give it a snowy look.
supposed to be. Making our Christmas memories.
I have a mini Christmas truck from the Dollar Tree. I'll remove the wire hanger from the truck. I'll paint a little white chalk paint on the tires and on top of the truck to give it a snowy look. I'll glue a mini wood cube inside the triangle. Then I'll glue the truck in front of the cube to make it stand out. I have a package of Let It Snow wood words from the Dollar Tree. I'll paint one with the white chalk paint from Waverly. I'll glue the Let It Snow at the top of the triangle and paint lightly around the edges using the black chalk paint from Waverly. I had a change of heart with the Let It Snow, so I painted it with the black chalk paint from Waverly. I'll paint the snowflake with white chalk paint, then I'll dry brush over the black paint for a rustic distressed farmhouse look. And to finish this DIY, I'll glue one more mini Christmas tree by the house. I really love this simple rustic triangle scenery. It was so easy to make and it didn't cost much to get that beautiful farmhouse rustic look. Let me know in the comments what you think. For this DIY, I have a triangle frame that I made last year for a different DIY using paint sticks. I'm going to repaint it with the color Fern chalk paint from Waverly. A white reindeer ornament from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use E6000 and hot glue on the feet to glue it in the center of the triangle frame. I have a package of mini Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to glue 2 inside the frame. I'm going to cover the bottom of the frame with lots of hot glue and faux snow. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lori and welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to consider and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified when I upload any new videos. And if you can give me thumbs up by clicking the like button, this really helps my channel to continue to grow and be recognized. And leave me a comment down below on which DIY you like the most, or just to say hello. I'll glue a thick wood stem from the Dollar Tree under the bottom of the frame. Then I'll glue the wood round to the wood stem to make a stand. I'll glue a little faux snow around the wood stem. I'll glue some pine cones in the frame to give it more of an outdoor rustic look.
And I know just
And to finish this DIY, I'll paint white chalk paint on the corners of the frame and dry brush the frame to give it a snowy distressed look. This reindeer triangle frame turned out so pretty. It has a sweet winter wonderland meet a little rustic vibe that will complement any shelf or table. I think this one is my favorite. I love the simple but still elegant look of it. Let me know in the comments what you think. For this DIY, I have a triangle box and red and black buffalo check vinyl, both from the Dollar Tree. I'll take a piece of the vinyl and place it on top of the triangle box. I'll use my finger to indent the shape to cut it out. I'll place the vinyl inside the triangle box. I'll use my knife to cut around the edges for a clean look.
About how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to.
I'll take some jute rope and glue it around the edge inside the triangle.
Differences aside, and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside. Gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday.
I have a Christmas greenery pick. I'm going to remove the pieces of the greenery and glue them at the bottom of the triangle.
Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic
I'll glue 2 Christmas trees in the greenery and a couple of pine cones.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside.
I have a Buffalo Joy sign from the Dollar Tree. I'll remove the pick and add 2 different pieces of greenery at the top.
It means so much more than words can say, and I claim
I have a buffalo check bow from another ornament. I'll glue it in the center of the greenery.
what glory this holiday represents.
I'll dry brush white chalk paint on the greenery to give it a snowy look. I'll glue the joy sign at the top of the triangle. I'll glue a wood stem to the top of the wood round. Then I'll glue it under the triangle, and this will be the stand. And to finish this DIY, I'll glue a couple of wood stems from the Dollar Tree and another pine cone in the triangle. I'll paint a little white chalk paint on the wood stems so it looks like there is snow on them. This DIY was so easy to make, and I love how it turned out. It has a beautiful outdoor woody rustic winter look that will look beautiful on any shelf or table. I hope I've inspired you today with some new ideas for your Christmas decor this year. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day, and bye for now.